Hello everyone, thank you for clicking this video, and today I will show you how do I add Notion to website. So the first, open the Notion and select page. I create this page for example today's video. Then we click share button. Click share button, then click toggle to share web button and turn it on. Copy the web link. We will need this unique link. Click done. Then open your browser. I use Chrome at here. Then open embednotion.com. .com. Paste the link, then click create embed. You need to enter your email address to get the code. Then confirm email. Your snippet has been emailed. Let's check the email. This is embed code of your Notion page. You can just paste the embed code into a web page. So this is how do I add Notion to website. If you think this content is helpful for you, please click thanks below. I will appreciate that. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe.